What's up guys, just Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to customize and most specifically how to add a background image into your WordPress login page. So imagine that you run a site that needs to be logged in by lots of users, or you are running a shop and you would like to use the WordPress login to reset passwords, to log in, to register. How to change this WordPress default page, the WordPress login page. This is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. So let's get this started. First thing, navigate your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over plugins, and click into the submenu Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna be able to see an option called Search Plugin. Next to it, an empty field, okay? Click on it and just type Login Press, just like this. You're gonna be able to find this plugin right here, Login Press, WP Login Custom Login Page Customizer. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button, and this is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And here is the Login Press. Also, if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, next to the WordPress comments, you're gonna be able to find the Login Press. Hover a mouse over it and click into the Customizer option, okay? Wait a moment while this page loads. Normally it actually takes a couple of seconds to load. Nothing to worry, just wait. Wait a bit more. Now you're gonna be able to see the Login Press options, okay? We have the logo, background. We have explored this into a video that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here. And you're gonna be able to find next to logo the option for background. Click on it, and right here you can have a couple of backgrounds to edit your login page. But of course we can apply an image from our WordPress media library, or even upload an image. In my case, I think this image is good. Maybe this one. I need something bigger. I think this one is well. Okay, I have this background image. Now I can set the image to repeat, to no repeat, to inline, to in hand. We can change the position of the image and the size to cover automatically, contain. So we have a couple of options to play with. The best option in my opinion is the cover, and in the case that you need some image, you can always go, for example, to another site, like for example pexels.org. Just like this. This is a database or with a lots of images, and right here you can search for the kind of image that you are looking for. I'm looking for plants. Once this site is about a plants web store. Right here you can search for our image. Just like this. You can download, choosing the size that you wish. Go back to our site, change image, upload image, select file, select image, upload to your WordPress media library, and set the image to be used on your WordPress login page. Simple, easy, and very effective. After doing your change, always remember to hit the publish button to save your change, okay? And here is your image, your background image for the WordPress login page. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org, it's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth with 3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.